lacrimales, seen on the margins of the lids at the lateral extremity of the lacus lacrymalis. The superior duct, the smaller and shorter of the two, at first ascends, and then bends at an acute angle and passes medialward and downward to the lacrimal sac. The inferior duct at first descends, and then runs almost horizontally to the lacrimal sac. At the angles they are dilated into ampullae, their walls are dense in structure, and their mucous lining is covered by stratified squamous epithelium placed on a basement membrane. Outside the latter is a layer of striped muscle, continuous with the lacrimal part of the orbicularis oculi. At the base of each lacrimal papilla, the muscular fibres are circularly arranged and form a kind of sphincter. The lacrimal sac, Saccus lacrymalis. The lacrimal sac is the upper dilated end of the nasolacrimal duct, and is lodged in a deep groove formed by the lacrimal bone and frontal process of the maxilla. It is oval in form and measures from 12 to 15 millimeters in length. Its upper end is closed and rounded, its lower is continued into the nasolacrimal duct. Its superficial surface is covered by a fibrous expansion derived from the medial palpebral ligament, and its deep surface is crossed by the lacrimal part of the orbicularis oculi, which is attached to the crest on the lacrimal bone. Structure. The lacrimal sac consists of a fibrous elastic coat, lined internally by mucous membrane. The latter is continuous, through the lacrimal ducts, with the conjunctiva, and through the nasolacrimal duct, with the mucous membrane of the nasal cavity. The nasolacrimal duct, Ductus nasolacrimalis, nasal duct. The nasolacrimal duct is a membranous canal, about 18 millimeters in length, which extends from the lower part of the lacrimal sac to the inferior meatus of the nose, where it ends by a somewhat expanded orifice, provided with an imperfect valve, the plica lacrymalis Hasneri, formed by a fold of the mucous membrane. It is contained in an osseous canal, formed by the maxilla, the lacrimal bone, and the inferior nasal concha. It is narrower in the middle than at either end, and is directed downward, backward, and a little lateralward. The mucous lining of the lacrimal sac and nasolacrimal duct is covered with columnar epithelium, which in places is ciliated. End of section 54. Recording by Leanne Howlett.